Every single day you open the Instagram, LinkedIn, anything, you got all the list of tools to tailor your resume by the ad or by the post. Listen to me carefully. We should never tailor the resume. Until and unless you're targeting a specific company, never tailor your resume. Why? Because when you tailor the resume, you have to learn some different things. So suppose there is one job posting for specific technology and you tailor your resume for that technology, you have to at least overview or learn something about the technology. And it is really a time consuming. Like, it's very easy to say that tailor your resume according to job posting, but it's how many resumes you have to tailor, how many jobs you have to apply, and then, like, statistically you will get very less responses. And yeah, instead there is one solution, there is one master solution, and this solution will work for you over your entire career. It's not a short time solution, it's a long term solution. Fix your tech stack. So fix your technology. Like, if you are building a project or if you are going to work on in a company, what type of work you are going to do. So, like, the most famous, so in the back end, fast API. On database connection, like, we can connect any type of database, that's not a big issue. But back end, what type of UI? React.js, Next.js. Which language? Python language. Which SDK for creating agents? OpenAI agents or LangGraph, LangChain. Just decide your tech stack. Get done with it. Learn those tech stack. Build all your projects in that same tech stack. Your input and output should be different, but the tech stack should be same. And why I'm saying that? Now, when you decide your tech stack, when you master that tech stack, instead of learning 10 different type of things, so next time you see a job posting of Node.js, you are not going to apply for that. Even if you apply with the same resume. When you learn those tech stack, now you have more time to invest on the broader things. So pick one broader thing like machine learning, or it's too much broader. Pick your niche, like in the machine learning, like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or artificial intelligence. In the artificial intelligence, you want to work with the RAG or agents or optimizing the LLMs. Pick one thing instead of learning all these small things, the different technology, different that, and tailoring the resume, spending more time on that. Put more time on that your niche. Let that be your specialization. Let that be your identity, and you don't have to worry about things. You will master one thing. It will take a time, but you start doing it, and within 1 month or two, you will get a better at that technology or skill. You put that on the resume and you let the recruiters find you for the technology. So suppose you decided that I will only work on advanced rag or production level rag. You put that on resume, and the people who want the employees who can work on the production level rag, they will reach out to you. Now you don't. Will you have anxiety about the interview? No, because in all your projects you did the same. You did work on the same tech stack. You did those things multiple times. In interview, you are going to anticipate the questions before the interview. You are going to know what type of question you are going to get, because in every interview, if your tech stack is same, if your resume is same, you are going to get a similar type of questions. This is my second point. Like, even if you don't want to invest in a niche skill or specialization skill, if you keep your resume same, you are going to get a similar questions. So even if your first interview is worst, your second will be a little bit better, the third one will be a little bit better. And that's how your interview anxiety will be completely removed. So keep the resumes, one single resume, and you will master each and every point of that resume by giving the interview or by manually. No, a lot of people will say like you talk big, like even if you specialize one skill, no recruiter are going to find us because there is too much noise. There is no noise, to be honest. Um, when it comes to specialized skill, I see a lot less people, and how to get more interviews. Create your Naukri.com profile. Put that. 15 days as a notice period. Even if you don't have the if you even if you have a longer notice period, just put a 15 days. Just first give the interviews, you should have you should give the list of interviews, and then you will decide about how to switch and all. So yeah, I'm going to master the AI. I'm starting learning it. I'm going to post the upcoming videos about that. I am starting from the day zero, so I'm not an expert in that. I'm going to learn with all of you. I'm going to share what I learn. I'm going to take yours input, what you learn, and we are going to master that together. So yeah, keep an eye on the upcoming videos. Subscribe to it.